Good day everyone. Today we will be discussing about how to apply the concept of restitution coefficient in collisions. And our objective for today is understanding and calculating the outcomes of impacts. What is collision? Collision is the event of two or more objects coming into violent or forceful contact, resulting in the exchange of energy and momentum. So, in simple terms, collision is when an object meets another object. Example of collision is two billiard balls hitting each other, a basketball hitting the ground, a piece of chewing gum hitting the sticking to a shoe. There are three types of collision. Number one is elastic collision. Kinetic energy and momentum are conserved. Number two is inelastic collision. Kinetic energy is not conserved, but momentum is. Number 3 is perfectly inelastic collision. The objects stick together after the collision. So, what is the coefficient of restitution? The coefficient of restitution is the ratio of final velocity to the initial velocity between the two objects after the collision is known as the coefficient of restitution. The restitution coefficient is denoted as E and is unitless quantity, and its value range between 0 and 1. Coefficient of restitution is simply just relative speed after collision over relative speed before collision. The formula is E equals to VFB minus VFA over VIA minus VIB, where VFA is the final velocity of A and VFB is the final velocity of B, and VIA is the initial velocity of A, and VIB is the initial velocity of B. Calculating restitution coefficient. Measure velocity before and after the collision. Use the formula to find the coefficient. Example calculation are the given. After you substitute everything, the answer to the problem is 1. Here is an example. Car A was going at 70 miles per hour and car B was going at 50 miles per hour. After the collision, car A is going 40 miles per hour in the same direction and car B is going 60 miles per hour. What is the coefficient of restitution between the two cars? Well, we need to figure out the relative speed before the two cars. That's just the difference of the two velocities, knowing that leads to an expanded equation. Real-life applications. Vehicle collision. Determine damage and safety features in crash test. Sports. Used to analyze ball bounces in sport like tennis, basketball, and golf. Engineering. In design, shock absorber, and collision-resistant structures. Conclusion. Summary, the restitution coefficient plays a crucial role in understanding the behavior of objects after collisions. It is essential for analyzing energy transfer momentum and real-world impact scenarios. It qualifies as the bounce or elasticity of the collision, used across various fields from physics to engineering.